Yeah, of course it's free. I just like building these things for myself anyway, so why not share them? Yeah. So this should be a quick one. Um, so in Irish, there's the old type of writing, seanchló. Let me see, can I get an example? I have one. So for most of the history of written Irish, it would have been written in its own unique script. And let me just show you that. So here's an example. So you can see here it's quite unique and different from the English, Latin, whatever you would call it, style. And you can see the lenited, aspirated, shavud consonants have a punk above them, a dot above them. So that shows aspiration in the old script. And it was hard. I couldn't find anything. Maybe it exists, but it was hard to find something that converts between the new type of spelling and the old type. And so, yeah, so I couldn't find anything, so I decided to build my own. So you can see it here. And it should work. I did it kind of quick, but it should work. I've tested it a little. Well to goma. Well to goma. Tamagama. So you can see here it puts it into the old style and with the dot over the consonants. And you can change to a different script. Yeah, so you can test those out. But yeah, it's useful if you have some text that's in the new writing, you can paste it in here to practice your reading of the old script. And I have it up here. Can you see? Yeah, so the link is going to be in my what do you call it? In my Facebook, not Facebook, my YouTube. I don't even have Facebook. YouTube bio or whatever. It's in my YouTube home profile. So if you go there, you'll be able to get the link and try it out. Let's see. I've got some text. I can just paste in some more. Yeah, I like this one. Yeah, so try it out and let me know what you think, if it's useful or not. Thanks very much. Bye.